Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the choose function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, to start the choose function, we have to type in the choose command. Next, we need to indicate the index num for our choose command. This is what will determine if a certain condition satisfies the proper output for our problem. In this case, we would like the user to choose from 1 to 4 in order to return a value corresponding to the array that we have on the left side of your screen. So, for the index num, let's click the cell where the user would input 1 to 4. For the first value, the value that we will return when we choose number 1, let's go ahead and choose the cell with tech in it. Then, let's choose tips for the second value, 4 for the third, and business for the fourth. After that, we should close up our choose function and press enter. See that we got the error of #value for our answer. This is because we haven't set yet our index number for the choose function. Let's go ahead and press 1. And there we go. We got a value from that. And if we choose 2, and 3, and 4, there will be a corresponding value for each number from 1 to 4. And that is how we use the choose function in Microsoft Excel.